Namaste, dear friends. So, we are back with our short motivational videos where we are highlighting about fitness and exercises. Today, we are going to talk and listen to a very beautiful story of a mother who was coming back from her workplace. And while she was coming back from her workplace, she was thinking about her 3 young children who were staying at home. She thought her children must be hungry, and when she thought about the hunger, she bought a big, beautiful flavored cake for her children. And when she came back home, the door was opened by the eldest son, who was also very small, not very elderly. And when the door was opened for the mother, she immediately gave the cake to the eldest son. The eldest son was very happy to receive the cake. He opened the pack, cut a big piece, thought for a while, turned back towards the mother and gave the big piece to the mother, saying these few lines: "Mother, you have been working hard throughout the day. Thought just that you must be also very hungry and tired. Why don't you take the first piece?" The mother was hungry but not expecting the cake piece from the young child. But this act was so heartening that tears came out of her eyes. The child went on, cut few more pieces, distributed it to the small brothers and sister who he had, and this act again was such an enduring act of the child. And then at the end, he took a big piece for himself. The mother kept on seeing this happening almost every evening. Whenever she used to come back from her workplace, she used to get something to eat for her child. May it be sweet, may it be fruit, may it be cake. Every other time, the child used to do the same thing. First piece for the mother, and then he will distribute it to the brother and sister, and then he will take. The act was so soft and so sweet for the mother that the mother from the next day started bringing an extra piece of everything what she bought. Maybe sweet, maybe fruit. And whenever the young child used to do this, she used to hug the child out of love. Tears used to come out of her eyes, and she used to always tell the young child this particular thing: "I knew that you will do this thing to your brother and sister and to me, and that's why this extra piece for you." This love and affection was extra bonus for the child, because he was in an act, first of all, of gratitude of getting the cake from the mother, and that is why he was returning it to the mother as a first piece, and then he was distributing it to his brother and sister. Such a loving act that stimulated the mother to shower more love and affection. Now, why am I speaking about a story of love and affection in a fitness motivational video? Very simple, my dear friends. Exercise is also an act of gratitude. An act of gratitude, how? Let us understand this particular thing. There are numerous people being in a health and care industry for such a long period of time, which we have seen that they cannot even walk, they cannot even move properly, their legs are paralyzed, they have holes in their bodies, maggots entering into their body. They are not even able to clean these parts. There are children born with mental retardation, not even in a situation to think about their body. They need help throughout their life. We are in a situation where we can think about the body is precious, and we are now about to start with exercising and taking care of the body. Is it not a grace for us? So shouldn't we have a feeling of gratitude before doing the exercise? And that gratitude should be directed towards your loving Father, your God. And that is why every exercise should start with a beautiful act of meditation. A meditation of connecting your mind to your internal structure, to your internal feeling, where you can actually connect to your loving Father. And then finish off your exercise with another act of prayer and another act of meditation, thanking your Supreme Father, your loving Father, that you could perform the act of cleansing and taking care of the body when there are numerous people who cannot do it. Now, this is so strange to talk about it. Just imagine if every profession inculcates this habit of involving a feeling of gratitude and then working. It can be such a great world for all of us. Imagine if a doctor understands that all the knowledge that he has acquired is by grace of God, and that is the reason why when a patient comes to him, it is another child of God who is in pain, and he just needs to distribute the knowledge which he has received with compassion to this child. Such a great world it will become. Engineer thinks about the same thing, gets the knowledge with grace and distributes it with compassion. A chartered accountant, any other officer, thinks and understands the knowledge that which he has received is nothing but a grace of God. And then the clients, the customers, those who are coming to him are also arranged by God only. And when they distribute the compassion of the Lord to them, profession will be such a beautiful act. But to do this all the day long, you need an early morning stimulation, and that's where exercise comes into play. A dose of exercise with gratitude shown through meditation right in the beginning and at the end of the exercise. The entire exercise becomes a stimulating pill for you to do this beautiful act throughout the day henceforth, my dear friends. And then, as we usually think in our healthcare industry, every profession will be summarized in one particular line: taking and accepting with grace, distributing with compassion, getting loved, and distributing love. Such a beautiful world this can be. So, my dear friends, all of this is possible by a simple act of exercise with meditation early morning. Can't we do that for ourselves? Can't we do that for our society? And can't we do that as an act of gratitude for our loving Father? Thank you very much.